Yo guys, just when I think Nike and Jordan Brand is doing the right thing in terms of stopping some of this backdooring that's going on, it looks like it's about to get 10 times worse. Just giving a couple of information that we have heard over the last couple of days. And yeah, it's a lot to unravel, but we definitely gonna talk about in today's video, and I want to get you guys input on what's going on currently in the sneaker community, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man, for you guys to come to the videos, come chop with your boy The Vintage. And I want to give an extra shout out, an extra thank you to the people that always come through and hit that like button and commenting down below, bro. You guys do not understand how much I appreciate you guys for commenting, taking the extra couple minutes out y'all day to come down below in the comment section, hit me up, chop it up about something. It means so much, man. You guys don't understand, bro. Like, this is really what I love to do, man. Chop it up with you guys about what's going on in the sneaker community. So you guys can keep that up, keep that, support up. That'd be greatly appreciated, man. Hey, I love y'all, man. Thank y'all, bro. If you guys are new here to the channel, you already know what I'm gonna ask you guys to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please, man, do your boy solid. Just like I gave a shout out to other people. Also, leave a huge like on today's video. The mics go a long way. If you don't do nothing else, bro, you don't watch but 2 seconds after this, hit that like button for your boy. All right, guys. So, man, I'm scrolling on Instagram. I'm on Twitter. I'm on YouTube. And the only thing that kind of caught my attention, that kind of caught my eyes, I had to do a little bit more research on, is Travis Scott, man. You guys already know, bro. When it comes to Travis Scott, it's immensely hard to grab a pair for retail, and I only got 2, and I'm gonna grab them real quick. And just to mind you, one of them was sent to me for free, and I had to pay resale for one. So I'm gonna grab them real quick before we even dive into the full topic of today's video. But I had to go out there and pay resale for the Canary Elkins, which happened to be one of my top 10 pickups of the year. It was hard to get these. I'm talking about, I ain't seen nobody when I went to the sneaker event with them. The site was cooked. Of course, I didn't hit on the raffle. And of course, I didn't handle the sneakers. You guys already know how I go. And then for the other pair, that actually got sent to me for free. You know what I'm saying? We do have the Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott Cactus Jack in the khaki colorway. So that's all I got, bro. You guys see, out of all these 300, probably got like 300 pair of sneakers. This is all I got in terms of Travis Scott. I had a couple back in the day, ended up selling a couple of them. Regret it a little bit, but it is what it is. They're going in that here anymore. But just to think, man, all these shoes I got in the collection, all the collabs I got, this is the only 2 that I have from Travis Scott. And that comes from, of course, the backdooring issue. Backdooring is super crazy nowadays, especially over the last 3-4 years. I would say it definitely ramped up. It's the new norm, you know what I'm saying? Hitting up an early plug that ain't got them backdoor. They got that backdoor connect. That's where you get them from. You don't go on the site to get them. You get them from the plug, you know what I'm saying? That's usually how it works. And now, in terms of all of that, you know what I'm saying, that culminates into what is going on right now. Sneakers are going to be a lot harder to get, and that is because Travis Scott wants to take it away from some of these other retail spots that usually gets these Travis Scott sneakers. He wants to keep them in-house, and it almost seems like he wants to release everything on his website. I think that drives traffic for his other clothing that he does sell during these releases. And it also just brings more publicity, brings more hype, brings more things towards Travis Scott himself. So you guys see different mom and pop shops that do have the Travis Scotts for raffle, quote unquote. Got to get them air quotations. That end up nobody ends up getting them. And you gotta hit up GOAT. You gotta hit up your favorite second or third party market to go and get these joints. And if you want them the legit way, you know what I'm saying, you hitting up those solid connects that is hitting up, you know what I'm saying, one of them boys at Travis Scott warehouse and like, hey, I need 6 pairs of these this size, I need 7 pair of that size, and they already sending the money. You guys already know the whole trophy room situation. I really still do not think that got talked about enough, bro. Like, the backdoor situation for the freeze out Air Jordan 1 trophy rooms should have been blown up immensely. It should have been, we still should be talking about that, bro. I know it happened in the past, happened during COVID, but that was a crazy time. We literally know people, seeing people going to Marcus Jordan crib and getting them things. I said, bro, it's no way this is happening. You know what I'm saying? There's no way this is happening, but it definitely did. And now the same sort of thing that's going to be happening with Travis Scott, especially if the rumors are true of him cutting back his shoes, getting pushed out to different mom and pop shops and things like that, and keeping them in-house. I said, bro, I don't know how I feel about it, bro. I think it's gonna get even worse in terms of trying to get a pair for retail. I'm gonna do a little quick poll. If you guys can definitely entertain this poll if you want to. Let me know in the comment section how many pairs of shoes you have hit on Travis Scott's website. I only know like 2 people that ever hit on his website, so I'll be super interested in knowing if you are one of the few people that did hit. I just think all that stuff is backdoor. I don't know what he does with the pairs, give it to his, rapper buddies, hip hop buddies, industry buddies. I don't know where they go, but all I know is I ain't hit not one time on Travis Scott website. And if he keeping them all on his site, bro, in his warehouse, it's about to get ugly, man. You guys know it is a huge Travis Scott release coming up. Probably one of the most hyped up Jordan 1 low Travis Scotts all year, in my opinion. The Velvet Browns. I'll put a picture up right here. This is going to be the first wave of Travis Scott sneakers that kind of get pulled back, can just put back into house so that he can do whatever he does with them. If you don't know, he does have a Discord. He stays on Twitter, giving out clues and hints on what is going on. And I definitely feel like in 2025, he's going to use that a little bit more towards his advantage. Like dropping sneakers at random times, telling people to meet him at this location, that location. So he is more involved and got his hand into all the movement and all allocations of his Travis Scott sneakers, which is not a bad thing. But when you think about the whole backdoor situation, how it's already impossible to get something for retail on his website, things start getting a lot more difficult and definitely a bit more of a headache, man. So we shall see how this Velvet Brown release goes. I think it's gonna go just like every other release. Of course, we get the shock drop or the shock raffle on his website, and then the next day or the day after that, you get the sneakers release. So we shall see what happens, man. I'm super interested to see what you guys think about this. Is this gonna be the increase of hype into his shoes because they're going to be harder to get, or is it going to be a decline because it's going to get that ridiculous when it comes to trying to get some Travis Scott merch, and more importantly, his sneakers, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in, man. Quick video wrapping up, talking about this Travis Scott situation, bro. I didn't think we would get to this point, but it is getting to this point, bro. It's going to be hard to get them Travis Scott sneakers. It's already damn near impossible to do it now. But again, drop your comments down below, leave your feedback. Let me know what you think about it, man. If you are new here, you already know what I asked you earlier in the video. Hit the subscribe button, especially if you enjoyed the content, and leave a huge like and rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on any content we got scheduled for y'all. Got one for y'all tomorrow, got a video for y'all Saturday, and I might hit y'all with a trifecta on Sunday, bro. So we'll see how it is, but if you want to get notified again, hit that notification bell. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for tapping in. All that's being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.